LOL Surprise, Interactive Live Surprise, 3 mystery accessories. 60 plus sounds, I respond to motion, sound, and touch. I really blush, Fuzzy Fan. Pet me, Poops Dog. Talk to me, Bunny Hun. Feed me, rock me to sleep, turn me upside down, interactive, talk to me, pet me.
Alright guys, let's get to opening. I think let's open it, guys. I think you open it from the bottom. Whoa. And I was right, guys.
That was hard.
Guys! Look at it, it's so cute! Let's get the surprises out first.
Okay.
It's open now. Oh, look, guys, it's a milk bottle. Let's open the next one. What's the next? Guys, it's a cupcake. It looks so cute. Let's open our third one. Guys, it's a cell phone. Guys, it's a bunny.
Yes.
And look, it's a cat. And
Okay,
look, you can lower your eyes, and it's different colors. And it's big. Guys, it's so cute, and look, it has different colors on there. Let's turn it on now. Let's feed them this. Doesn't want that. Let's try the cupcake. That's so cool. I love it. Let's put it in, guys. Look, it shakes its tail. Guys, so I got the Fuzzy Fan, and I like her because not other ones do the lighting cheek ones. The light, like, look, doesn't really, none does that, and I love it. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
Okay, so box it like this. OMG! I got Bunny Hun, the one that I wanted. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, don't need that. Okay, so here's the accessories, and here is the little bunny itself. Move her to the side, and let's start unpacking these 3 surprises that it comes with. Gosh, okay. Anyone got some scissors?
Wait, sis. You know they actually, there's a rip already that you open
Oh, I don't
it.
care. Let's. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a little microphone. Oh my gosh, it's little French fries. I'm gonna put it over here. Last one. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's a little bottle that says pop. Oh, like soda pop. No, for the best part, let's turn her on. Okay. Do you want to sing? I'm gonna give her a little microphone. That's so cool. Are you hungry? That's so cool. Let's give her something to drink. Oh my gosh. She's blushing. We didn't think that she blushes, but she does. That's really cool. I didn't know all of them do. I don't know.
We heard that they talk to each other, so let's try it out.
That's so cool. And look this. Look at this. This is so cool. They're really cute.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notifications, and comment down below what video we should do next. Okay, bye.